You guys, mystery boxes is what got me on YouTube. 8 years ago, my very first YouTube video was on a Stitch Fix box. Do you know what I'm talking about? Did you guys ever did Stitch Fix, Trunk Club? What were the other brands that used to send us clothes and you never knew what you got until you opened the box? I've been on YouTube on and off, mostly off for 8 years. So a year and a half ago, when I came back to YouTube and started doing videos on handbags, I ordered a mystery box from Portland Leather. And then I kind of totally forgot about Portland Leather and mystery boxes until I saw that Betsey Johnson, yes, I do own a bag from Betsey Johnson, had a mystery box. There were 4 boxes. There used to be a Kiss and Tell box and also a Food Gourmet box. But now they just have the Holiday and the Goth Gore box left. Now I have ordered some shoes from Betsey Johnson and I do like her stuff. It is a little bit catchy, is that how you say it? It is a little bit juvenile, but still a lot of fun. So in this video, first you will see my honest to goodness reaction when I open the box and what I think of it. You'll also see some confusion on my part, that's for sure. I couldn't remember how many items were in the box. And it's 4 items. You're paying $150 for 4 items. So number 2, we're going to see what the value of the box is and if it's worth the $150. Actually, it's $160 with tax and everything. Third, I'm going to show you the shoes that I already own from Betsey Johnson and how I styled it with my bag of the day. This is what I wore yesterday. And number 4, I'll let you know what I think about mystery boxes, if I'm going to order some more. And also I want to know what you guys think about mystery boxes. Have you ever had a mystery box before? What do you think of them? So if any of this sounds interesting to you, by all means, keep on watching. Hey, hi, how are you? My name is Roxana and welcome to my neck of the woods. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new to this channel, I do videos on handbags. I'm super excited about opening this box. So I don't remember exactly what's in it. I am sure that I will reorient myself to what's in it as I'm opening it. There's 5 pieces that's inside this box, right? I know one of them is a pair of shoes. So you choose your shoe size. And I know that this box, it is a holiday box. You had 5 other choices and I think or 4 other choices. And I do believe one of the items is a bag. It is a bag. Okay, so should I do the bag first? No, I should do the bag last. Okay, which is over here. You know it's red, it's holiday. Shoes, I'm excited about this. So shoes is one of the other items, and then it looks like it's a piece of jewelry here. So maybe there's 4 items. And okay, let's open the shoes first. I sure hope that the shoes match the purse. Okay, let's see, what have we got here? Oh yes, okay, this is holiday, okay, and it looks like the holiday is Valentine's Day. Okay, so did I accidentally ordered a Kiss and Tell box? One of them was a Kiss and Tell box. So it is the slider shoes, and I do like slider shoes. I definitely do like these. Yeah, I'm excited about this. So now let's open the bag. Maybe I did order the Kiss and Tell. I don't remember which one I ordered, but I like this. $150 for shoes and a bag and jewelry. I think that's pretty good. And like I said, I thought I ordered the holiday box, but I mean, yeah, this is definitely a Valentine's box. So Valentine's, maybe they consider a Valentine's a holiday. This is really cool. Look at this on the back. Now, will I wear one of these bags? It sure looks like chocolate candy box, a Valentine's chocolate candy box. Can you see what it says there? I cannot read it, especially since I don't have my glasses. Let's see, can I read it this way? Yeah, no. But will I wear this box? I might put this bag up for sale. I'm not sure, probably. Okay, let's see what have we got here. This is definitely jewelry. I love mystery boxes. When I first started doing videos on bags, one of the first videos I did was on Portland leather. They have mystery boxes. And to tell you the truth, I kind of like Betsey Johnson more than Portland leather. Okay, I think it is the holiday box because I think these earrings are Christmas. Let's see. Yes, they are Christmas. They're gingerbread Christmas, and the price on it says $32. So it is the holiday box. Okay, they're cute. They're very cute. I will definitely wear this at Christmas time. And they're very kitschy. Is that how you say it? They're very Betsey Johnson because the gingerbread men are pink. Yeah, very cute. Ooh, I see something that I really like. Let's see. Okay, way cute. It is a card holder, you guys. A card holder with a zip pocket right in front. Well, right in here. It's got the pink checkered pattern or gingham pattern. And then it has a lot of embellishment on top here. I see what it is. It's a Easter holiday wallet because you see all the Easter eggs and the bunny ears, and this is very nice. And then you can put your driver's license here. The only wallets I use are card holder wallets, so I think this is cute. This is something that I will definitely keep. The sliders. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this. So what's inside? Hot honey bliss, peaches and cream. I should open this. Look at this. The zipper it's got a little charm on it, and this is not leather, you guys. This is definitely vinyl, which I don't mind. Let's see. Okay, it says Betsey Johnson there, but I don't see. Yep, there is no pocket in here. It is just an empty container. It looks like it won't fit much. It will fit my phone for sure. It will fit probably, let me see if I have one of those corner zips. I don't have a corner zip. This is my bag of the day, you guys. Oh my God, I have a mess over here, but it is a Luca leather from Dooney & Bourke. I do have one of these catch-all bags. My friend gave me this. So this is about the size of a corner zip, and it definitely fits in here with the phone. So it does fit a lot, that's for sure. It is cute. So maybe I will wear it for Valentine's Day next year, or maybe I will give it to my niece. I don't know. What do you guys think of that box? We'll look into the items in more detail in just a minute. So I bought this from Amazon many years ago, like maybe 5-6 years ago, and I paid like right around $70 for it. Betsey Johnson does not do leather, or if she does, I don't know it. So her stuff, it tends to be vinyl, so it is a lot more affordable. What is super cool about this box is that the handle is old school phone, right? And where is it? Let me see. It's been a few years since I used this. Here it is. This actually goes on a phone, and you can use it old school like this. I think I would have to get an adapter if I wanted to use it on my phone right now. Like I said, this was quite a few years ago. But now that I love these kind of bags though. They're so cool. I mean, you know, she does some pretty cool looking bags. And the handle being a phone, I think it's really cool. Now inside, it's got some really cool lining, flowery lining. I mean, her stuff is really girly. I believe it's very girly, and I do like it a lot. I haven't used this bag in many years. It has a pocket back here. It has Betsey Johnson logo inside. Can you see it? Right? And it's still in a very good shape. What else do I have here? I guess it has a key ring. And this is the stuff that you would put on your chips bag. So I don't know what that's doing in there. So am I going to use this bag anytime soon? No, I don't think so. I believe my niece showed some interest in this bag. So she's 9, so she's about the age when she would think this is kind of be cool. So if she still wants the bag, I'll definitely be giving it to her. but I still think it's kind of cool. And whenever I get doors on my shelves that I put all of my bags on, then if my niece doesn't want it, I will definitely have this on display because I think it's pretty cool. Okay, let's take a realistic view on the items that I got into the box and see if they really are worth it. So this Easter card holder, right, that I probably will use. I think I do like these kitschy stuff. This one, it was $38, right? So originally it was $38. I'm sure right now it's on clearance. Look, it's got like flowers inside lining. So I don't know how much it is on clearance, and I really don't care to research it. The earrings that I will definitely wear, they are $32, right? So are they, would I have paid $32? Yes. I mean, her stuff is pretty inexpensive, I think. So I would have paid $32 when it first came out. I do have some other earrings from Betsey Johnson, and I believe they're Halloween, but I'm not sure. Now, let's talk about the shoes I said that I will keep. These ones were initially $118, right? And I like them. I think these are good Las Vegas shoes. So, you know, when I saw them, I thought for sure this was a Kiss and Tell box. That is one of the boxes that they have, is a Kiss and Tell box. They also have a goth box, and they also have a food box, right? So these ones were $118 before they were on clearance. I didn't see them on the site, so I didn't see them on the secondary market, but I didn't really look for them because I do think I want to keep them. Now let's talk about this bag, you guys. It's being sold on the secondary market, brand new. I did see some solds for it. It was originally $118, and the bag is really cool. You know, I'm like, am I gonna wear this bag? I mean, maybe, but I will put it up for sale on Poshmark Mercari and see if it sells. If it doesn't sell, then I will probably wear it once. And again, this is another bag that I don't mind just having it on display. If my niece wants this bag, then I will definitely give it to her. I added everything together and it was right around $300, like $307, 300 and something. I paid $150, $160 with tax. And do I think it was worth it? Like I said, I really like mystery boxes, and $150, yeah, it was worth it. Would I have bought all of these items individually? No. Would I have bought them on sale? Probably the earrings is the only ones that I would have bought them on sale or off sale. Now that I have it, I will wear it because why not? So yeah, do you guys think it was worth it? Would you get a mystery box? Would you get a Portland leather mystery box? Or would you get a Betsey Johnson mystery box? To tell you the truth, I really hope that other brands make mystery boxes. Now, like I said, I do own some shoes from Betsey Johnson, and I don't know if I showed, I'm pretty sure I showed these on my channel before. I literally don't remember how much I paid for these shoes, but they're the kind of shoes that I like because they have just a little bit of a kitten heel. That's about all I can do these days. And when I wore them yesterday, I did get compliments on them. Now, I wore this with the Dooney & Bourke Luca leather. It is the pocket satchel. Here we go. I don't have enough hands. Okay, so this pocket satchel, like I said, I featured this on my channel several times. I just love this bag. It is a perfect summer or spring bag. I paid a little over $200, like $230, something like that. Of course, I used the chain that I got from Coach, and I have the Coach, another Coach charm on here. And then I have an Amazon flower charm on the back because, you know, you should look good from the front and from the back. Now, would I order another mystery box from Betsey Johnson? Yeah, I already did. I ordered the goth box. I can't wait till I get it. And I had so much fun opening the box, you guys, that I ordered another mystery box from Portland Leather. One of the things that stopped me from getting a mystery box is that I don't really care for the tote that Portland Leather has. In fact, I gave it to my mom. So I was already having enough small leather goods because their mystery box, you get a bag and 4 small leather goods or 6 leather goods. Anyway, Rachel, I'm telling you, Rachel really has been influencing me. I saw that Rachel got a bag from Portland Leather Goods, so I went on their site, and lo and behold, their mystery boxes are a little bit different this time. They don't have just a tote bag. They also have a crossbody bag. So, yep, I did it. I ordered a mystery box from Portland Leather, and I ordered another one from Betsey Johnson, and I cannot wait until I get them and open them. You guys, thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much for commenting. I love seeing you guys in the comments. I love having conversations with you. And I very much appreciate that you take the time and are thoughtful in your comments. That is the best. Like Rachel says, I came here for the bags and stayed for the community. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. If this kind of content is your vibe, by all means, please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.